Okay, we start again. I don't know if the recording from this morning, I think it was lost, so we are now in Treungen. We have left Vrådal, it's day 2. So we're going to Fyresdal first and probably get some fuel there. It's about 22-23 degrees outside, so it's a damn hot day today. We stopped at the grocery store and bought some lunch. Today it's bacon sausages and with some ketchup on it, so that's gonna be because tonight we are trying to book some seats at a restaurant. There is summer holidays, so we have to have some luxury. Oh, look at that nice farm up there. As you probably can see, there's not a lot of traffic on this road because I don't think people want to ride here or drive here because the road surface is very bad. But on an adventure bike like I have, there's really no problem. Nice views. Yeah, woohoo! Time for lunch. Lunch with a view. Like that, so I put my son in the front so we can get him a little bit on film. Had a great lunch, some bacon sausages, and of course a lunch with a view. So that's nice. He's giving it the beans already. He thought it was a bumpy road, and it is a bumpy road, but it's a fun road. Oh, it's warm. It's bloody warm. Not supposed to ride from your dad? It makes a hell of a lot of noise. Oh, I'm a little bit tired today because I didn't get much sleep last night. Oh, well, first night in a tent in a long time, and this is a stretch of road that my son can open the throttle a little bit. So this is a very narrow and small road, but it's great fun. fun there. Nice route. All the branches covering the road and everything, covering the over the road, as I could say. I think my son is gonna rev his bike now. Listen. Oh, he didn't. That little stretch, and we are in Dalen. Okay, we ran a little low on power, but we are now in Dalen, and we're gonna set up camp. If you like this vid, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my brother channel, subscribe. And we will now set up camp, go to the grocery store, and have a couple of beers. Woohoo!